Hello, my name is Michael McGreal. I'm a motion entrepreneur, and my mission is to make motion graphics more accessible. And it begins with living logos. In my experience, most animation courses go too deep, too soon, and try to teach you every nook and cranny of After Effects, which is great if you want to make high-paying explainer videos or in-demand micro videos for social media. But the truth is that attempting to create a full-length explainer video on your first open of After Effects will most likely lead to burnout and leave you more discouraged than excited. After Effects is a dense program and can be overwhelming and frustrating if you try to take on too much too soon. That's why this course is focused on living logos. Living logos are one of the simplest forms of animation, and with social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter now supporting animated GIFs, these simple skills will equip you to immediately capitalize on this lucrative trend. And rather than overwhelming you with advanced information, these bite-sized videos will help you achieve the little wins you need to maintain momentum towards your larger goals. Our goal is to teach anyone, no matter their skill level, how to open After Effects and begin using these basic techniques to start making money by animating logos. While this course will not teach you every feature of After Effects, we will provide the extra value in the form of animated quiz GIFs and highly visual videos that make learning easy. We've even predicted obstacles you may encounter during your exploration of After Effects and have built a robust FAQ GIF library that you can quickly reference instead of wasting 2 hours Googling a solution every time. Additionally, we will always keep this course and FAQ library up to date and provide new material based on your feedback. So I hope that no matter your skill level, you can start to see After Effects as approachable, fun, and a great way to make reliable income by providing real business value. So I'm excited to guide you on your journey into After Effects and can't wait to see what you create. Thanks, and I'll see you inside.